class, I want us to read a story together. This story is called Coughing, Sneezing, and More. Let's learn all about what we do when we cough or we sneeze. All people cough and sneeze. See, we have all these people coughing and sneezing. You sneeze, I sneeze, everyone sneezes and coughs. Coughing and sneezing can spread droplets and germs. When you sneeze, look at all these germs flying around. They're going to get on everybody. I can try my best to cough and sneeze into my elbow. You see? He's coughing into his elbow. She's coughing into her elbow. That way you don't spread all of the germs. Wearing a mask can also help catch the droplets. If I'm not wearing a mask, coughing into my elbow is best. See? He's wearing a mask, so if he coughed, it would be okay not to cover his mouth with his elbow. Whereas if he coughs, he needs to make sure he coughs or sneezes with his elbow because he doesn't have a mask on. I should keep my fingers out of my nose. Fingers and noses can spread germs. Look at all of those little germs right there if you pick your nose. We don't want that. Instead, I can use a tissue to clean my nose. I can throw the tissue away when I'm done. See, he's blowing his nose with a tissue and then putting it into the trash can. Then I should wash my hands or use hand sanitizer to clean my hands. We have to make sure we clean our hands for at least 20 seconds. And look, and there's our hand sanitizer to kill the germs. Another way to stop the spread of germs is by not touching my eyes, nose, mouth, or face. See? We want to be careful not to touch our face if we have not washed our hands or used hand sanitizer. That's what we want to make sure we don't do. If I am wearing a mask, it is best to touch it only when I am putting it on or taking it off. See, and we're only touching where the ears are or the outside of the mask. Keeping toys and school supplies out of my mouth will also stop the spread of germs. Yeah, we don't want to eat or put anything in our mouths of our toys at school or at home. My teachers and family will be so proud of me when I do my part to help stop the spread of germs. Because we don't want those germs. They're icky. We don't want icky germs. So we need to make sure we are coughing and sneezing appropriately.